In this video, I'll talk about some tips for using CodeHS. In many of the homework assignments, I will start a program for you and give you an opportunity to play around. Like, for example, after you watch a video about for loops, you can get some practice writing for loops. And in this case, when you go here, it gives some starter code, and then you can type and you can try and run your own programs. Okay, so that's one way to get a program started in CodeHS. But you also can go and make your own program in the Sandbox. And this is what you would do if, let's say, you're doing homework and you're following along one of my videos, and you just want a blank thing to play around with and see if you understand the concepts, and anything else that you don't want to turn in specifically with an assignment. So you just make your own program. And I'm going to create my Sandbox program, and you have a lot of choices. We're going to mainly either pick Python 3 if it's straight text-based, or in the first couple of them we're going to be using Turtle. So I'm going to make Turtle here to create a program, and this one will install Turtle for you and make it so you can open up the screen for Turtle. So this is a blank program that you can type your own stuff in here and play around. So that's a Sandbox